Are your Qt project apps crashing due to the qt6 web channel module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we dive into the qt6 web channel module troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the qt6 web channel module, part of the qt6 framework. This library manages the localized communication between the application logic and an embedded web page. It is a mandatory requirement for the latest versions of OBS Studio. If missing, the app will display a blank window or crash when attempting to load web-based dashboard widgets. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Because qt6 web channel module DLL is required by Qt project to initialize correctly, a standard repair is needed. Reinstalling the official version of Qt project ensures all required application DLLs are restored to their proper paths. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including qt6 web channel module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install qt6 web channel module DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for qt6 web channel module. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped qt6 web channel module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.